Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If you watched our videos, Trailer Trash RC was here. I broke his stuff, he broke my stuff. Now it's time to fix my stuff. First quarter of monster trucks and 2022 is here now. I think the first show is going to be January 7th and 8th. So everybody's got their stuff together for the most part that's doing first quarter. So we're going to tear our stuff apart now. Number one thing, transmission needs work now because it barely moves itself, which is okay. Perfect time for that to happen. Transfer case has got to come out, get new bearings in it. It leaks oil as fast as you put it in the top. It just about leaks it out the bottom. We're going to move our batteries forward. We're going to move our floor pan forward so that I can stretch out a little bit more in it because I'm pretty cramped in the cab. New seats on its way. New harnesses on its way. I don't remember what else. That's what I could think of. Probably need to check the axles out and whatever. So there's going to be some wrenching videos, and we're going to get to work. See, I got the transmission coming out, just kind of weaseling it out of there. Took a little time. I just undid a few bolts of it as I've had a few minutes off and on today, so I didn't do it all at once here. Maybe a solid hour, we could probably have this out of here if I had help. Probably got 2 hours in it myself. Took the side shields off the truck, whatever. I'm gonna get the tranny set down out of here, and then, I don't know, maybe we'll start taking some more stuff apart. As you see, we're starting to get a pile of parts on the floor right there. Got the nitrous mount, trans cooler, nitrous bottle, transmission. Next thing needs to come out is down in there. Really can't see it too well. That transfer case right there. Maybe see it from the front side. Right there. That old antique profab transfer case. Really not sure what the easiest way to take these drive shaft loops off that Dan Patrick here built, or his guys built, to get that transfer case off. So I guess we're just gonna start tearing shit apart and see what we can do. That is a nice hat you got there, Ron.
Quality.
What's that stand for?
Well, it says it in little letters here, but presuming the camera can't pick that up, remember, when in doubt, throttle out.
That's right, go watch the Throttle Out show, don't forget.
They've helped us, so we're trying to help them.
Yeah. Got the rear drive shaft out. It's on the ground right there. Yep, that was an endeavor. There's literally like no speed to getting these drive shafts out of this truck wrong. There's just not a good way I see to do it. But we're gonna get the front out now. So I got all the drive shafts out with Ron's help. Transmission's obviously out. I think the transfer case is unbolted. Now we just got to get it from there out here without it falling on me. Ron's not here. I don't know, I'm gonna crawl under there. We'll see how heavy this thing is. I'm not sure. I was figuring maybe 100, 150 pounds. We'll see. That's a heavy one. That is an old case. I had a feller tell me the other day that this truck was a dinosaur. Well, it might be kind of dinosaurish for a race truck, but it's going to be a modern day dinosaur when we get done, because we're going to keep updating. I got it kind of draining some oil in the bucket, got all the bolts out, had one round out, got it pull these covers off. This is an old one. This is an old 12-inch drop profab transfer case. It's got 1-to-1 gears in it right now. I actually pulled this cover off in the truck earlier this year and checked that just because I wanted to know. But this thing leaks terrible. It's all grungy. Best I can tell, this bottom case is cast. It must be cast aluminum that's been painted black. So I think it's cast iron. But anyhow, I'm gonna take this off, take it apart. Now's the time to pay attention, because I need to know how to put it back together. Oh yeah, I should move it. Hey, it's actually got a little bit of oil in it still. Shocked. So one of the big reasons for rebuilding this is when I had this off earlier this year, it was whining real bad. These gears are just rough as can be in here. I mean, they're not in very good shape. So it definitely needs some attention. All right. Take that gear off. That's one of the quick change gears. Pretty much got this case completely tore apart, because if you don't know what you're doing, the best thing you can do is just tear everything apart, I think. Good news is I think most of it's on video. Some of it's not, but we'll get it back together one way or the other. Next thing is we got to take these bearings. These are the problems right here. These bearings, these top bearings, they just growl. I mean, they don't want to spin at all. So those, I mean, they're all getting replaced, but those are what I think was making the noise. I'm going to take some old school advice. A couple of the old timers that have been around these for a long time said to heat this aluminum case up with the torch real good, bearing will fall right out. We'll find out. Right out of there, that's hot. Oh yeah, got that. Now this is a much bigger case. It's gonna have to get hotter. got it. Very important step is next. I'm gonna take all those parts to my cousin Sean, have him put them in the washer so they're nice and clean.